Hello everyone, sorry for not being around. I know you missed me. I can tell by reading the comments, but hey, I'm back and I missed you too. All right, traders, buckle up. I'm about to introduce a game changer that could completely turn your trading world upside down. Imagine using a tool that doesn't just help you trade, but actually builds winning strategies right before your eyes. This secret tool just dropped, and guess what? You're lucky to be watching this video right now. We're not talking about your average run-of-the-mill indicator here. Nope, this beast is designed to beat the market. I'm talking about win rates above 90% and profits blasting past 610%. With this tool, you're no longer guessing. You're working with solid data that's been thoroughly tested and back-tested. In this video, I'll show you how to create 3 powerful strategies for the 1 minute, 15 minute, and 4-hour timeframes. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned pro, stick around. You'll learn everything you need to finally trade profitably. Let's dive in.
Yeah, boy.
Introducing Strategy Builder Plus. Developed by Chart Prime, the creators of some of the most reliable technical analysis tools on TradingView. Let's be real, manually testing all those indicators is a grind. That's why Chart Prime hit the turbo button with this magical tool that helps you create highly profitable strategies in minutes. Here's where it gets exciting. The strategy creator lets you fine-tune your buy and sell conditions like a trading scientist. You can customize for long and short trades. Want to buy when a strong bullish trend signal aligns with a bullish dynamic reactor? Done. As soon as you set it up, the system runs a back test and gives you instant feedback, whether for weeks, months, or years. Adjustable timeframes mean no more guesswork, just data-driven guidance. But wait, there's more. Check out the layered entry system, a game changer during market dips. If your long trade goes south, the system adds positions at prime points to lower your average entry price. When the market rebounds, you're cashing in like a pro. You control how many entries it layers in, adapting to any market condition. Managing take profit and stop loss levels is a breeze with flexible tools. Use ATR, risk-reward ratios, trailing stops, or price percentages to lock in gains or cut losses. How awesome is that? The leverage testing feature simulates performance at various leverage levels while keeping an eye on margin requirements. Want to grow faster? Enable the reinvestment option to compound gains while setting aside funds for safety orders. A perfect balance between growth and security. Now, let's build some jaw-dropping setups using Strategy Builder Plus. First up, Bitcoin on the 1 minute time frame with a jaw-dropping 98% accuracy. Yes, you heard right, a strategy that almost never loses. We'll optimize a $1,000 wallet balance with 20x leverage. Enable reinvestment at 40% for growth and safety. Now for the fun part, customizing long conditions. Activate trend signals and set it to strong buy for extra edge, tweak sensitivity from 14 to 16, and enable the dynamic reactor in a bullish trend. Add the trend assistant set to bullish as well. Boom, long conditions optimized. Time to tweak short conditions. Enable trend signals set to sell, drop sensitivity to 12, then activate oscillator true 7 with a bearish bottom signal. Short conditions locked in. For money management, leave the long take profit settings as is. Switch the long stop loss to price percentage at 3% and do the same for short stop loss. Simple tweaks, massive impact. This setup nailed a 98% accuracy with a profit factor of 7.2, total profit at 37%, and just 72% max drawdown over 50 trades, 1 loss out of 50. Unbelievable? With Strategy Builder, it's just the start. Next, let's crank things up with a 15-minute Bitcoin strategy. First, reset the indicator settings. Set the wallet balance to $1,000, leverage to 10x, and a base trade value of $50. Enable reinvestment at 50% and check the counterattack function for that secret sauce. Now long conditions. Start with the prophecy signal paired with a bullish trend. Master some of the methodologies. Start with a bullish trend, add filters. Enable the quantum reactor in bullish mode. With slow speed, lock in the trend assistant to bullish and activate the oscillator reversal set to bullish. Now for short conditions. Enable bearish reversal signals with sensitivity at 7, activate the bearish trend quantum reactor at slow, and add the bearish oscillator reversal with sensitivity set to 3. For take profit and stop loss, leave the long TP as is, Switch the long SL to price percentage at 3% and set the short SL using ATR at 3. This strategy hit 85% accuracy over 221 trades, with a profit factor of 3.6 and total profits of 118%. Max drawdown, just over 11%. If you're trading Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame, this setup is a must-try. Finally, for the long-haul warriors, the 4-hour time frame, this is where patience turns into massive rewards. Adjust the wallet balance, leverage and trade value, then enable reinvestment at 35%. Don't forget the counterattack feature for an extra boost. For long signals, activate bullish reversal signals and the bullish trend assistant. For short signals, go bearish on both. So, tweak your take profit and stop loss. Set the long TP to trailing at 3, keep the long SL on ATR at 2.5, and mirror these settings for short trades. The results, a win rate over 73%, a profit factor of 4.6, and total profits of 639% after just 11 trades. Max drawdown hit 19%. If that's too steep, reduce trade size or leverage, this setup is gold for long-term traders. Steady signals, optimized risk management, and sky-high profits. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. With Strategy Builder Plus, you can create anything from simple strategies to complex, layered setups, all tailored to your style. And it's insanely easy to use. Now here's the kicker. Strategy Builder Plus is part of Chart Prime's premium lineup, available only through a lifetime membership. This package includes over 10 game-changing indicators, access to an exclusive Discord community, weekly classes, and custom signals to supercharge your trading. Setting it up is easy. Install on any instrument or time frame, customize, and you're good to go. Remember, no tool can predict the future. Backtesting is just the beginning. Always forward test across market conditions. Ready to level up? Click the link in the description and unlock the full potential of these powerful tools.